Here I am in a lovely environment and it feels so peaceful here. And I wanted to tell you guys that I have found some solutions for a technical problem. Maybe you're facing it right now. So check the video, and if it helps you, if it really helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will help me a lot. Bye. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that you found the solution or the solutions helpful, and please consider liking the video, commenting down below, or subscribe my channel, or all of them at once. It will help me a lot. See you. Bye.